you want?
What?
Speak. What? What?
What?
What? What do you want? What? Speak. Yeah? Yeah?
What?
What else? Teddy, what? You want to go what's the matter? You want to go bye-bye? Speak. What? What?
What?
What? Yeah? 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 You want to go? Yeah? What else? What?
What?
What? What? You want a treat? You want a treat? Do you like treats? Speak. Ah, yeah. Teddy, I have this meat in the refrigerator, and it's got all kinds of good stuff on it. You know what I did with it, Teddy? I gave it to the cat. What? What do you think about that? The cat ate it.
What?
Huh? What? 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 Ah. You want to go bye-bye? What's up? Speak to me. Speak. 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 Can you speak? You're not going to talk anymore? Oh. Is you a good boy? You a good boy? Speak. Oh, you kiss your brother?
What?
Is that your brother? Ah. Yeah?
What?
What? You want to get down? Want to get down? Wait a second.